think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone. So Willy's gonna do my hair today. I bought some extensions. Okay, but Willy's gonna do it and I'm gonna record the process. I'm excited. I'm gonna be buchona.
She gonna be bald headed after I'm done.
I hope not. I'm gonna record the process. Maybe he would like fix my hair too.
Maybe.
So Willy's gonna lay it. He's a real I got hairstylist. Cause he do my hair all types of ways.
For real.
He be bleaching it and dyeing it, and now he
I
put
don't
it
even charge this.
extension. That's a best friend discount.
Best friend discount.
He's like, what best friend discount?
I know. Then they gonna charge her as extra.
He's gonna be like, I'm gonna steal your extensions.
I'm dead.
He's like, if they were blonde, I would.
I know.
Okay, so we're like midway through, or how would you say, Willy? More than midway through? Midway through?
We're like 25%.
What?
Like almost done actually.
Oh my god,
She
I'm
looks real
excited. I can't wait to see.
Look, yes.
Look,
Y'all see
I have
this? Like it makes me wanna fucking phone.
Ooh, he's trying to fight me.
I'm gonna be like, pop, pop, pop.
He's like, I got inches to pull now.
I know. It looks bomb, you guys. She looks bomb.
I'm excited. Hopefully, it matches good. I dyed my hair jet black today. And hopefully it matches good. You know? I don't know.
She's a new bitch.
Ooh, I'm excited. Do you want me to open the other packet now?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so I have to go bye, guys.
This is Angie's new weave. We gotta straighten her. Shake it, Angie. Shake.
How does it look?
It looks good. You can see the spot.
Good. So this is how my hair came out, guys. Willy did amazing. I'm a bad bitch.
She's a buchona.
Yeah, now we're gonna do our makeup because we're gonna go to Julie's party. So I'm gonna like record us all dolled up. But I feel already like a different bitch. I'm like whipping my hair. But so this is how we're gonna look. Yeah, what's wrong? I'm done. No, you look super cute.
Bitch.
No. I'm gonna probably vlog a little bit for the party. I love this song, but you won't be able to hear it.
La compañera del centro de
Don't fall asleep, Willy! Don't fall asleep.
I dance a lot.
We're sweaty. We're sweaty.
Like always, we start dancing early and then like we get tired quick.
Oh God. Deborah's birthday party. How old is she turning?
30. 42.
You need a person in emergency. Stop it.
Willy, how you feel? Hold on tight, Luis. What do you recommend? Stop.
You can go a little faster.